Hi guys, welcome to today's video and welcome back to my channel once again. It's me, Leigh on Leigh and Style. So the Distance Jewelry company sent me 4 jewelry pieces that I can show to you. And of course, sa mga mommy, baguettes, ladies out there that like to wear accessories or jewelry, this is a good one for you because it's very affordable. Since they reached out to me, I already checked the website, so it's very decent jewelry. Actually, their jewelry is made of 92.5 sterling silver. So if you're really obsessed about silver and you like wearing silver like me, because I really love wearing silver, I prefer much wearing silver than gold. It's just me. It's my own preference. Tingin ko kasi it's too flashy for me. Parang ayoko ng sobrang gaudy look. So gusto ko yung simple lang pero classy. I think silver you can wear it any day, every day wear at hindi takaw mata ng mga, alam mo na yan, masasamang loob dyan. Yon. So, at saka yung silver kasi, I like wearing sterling silver kasi hindi siya nagte-tarnish. Sa pagkakaalam ko, nagte-tarnish lang siya once you're acidic. Because I worked before on a sterling company in the Philippines. Hindi ko na i-mention kung saan. One of the most kilalang sterling silver jewelry company na nag-work ako. Kaya I have a few knowledge about sterling silver. So, nagte-tarnish lang siya once na you're acidic. So, once naman nag-tarnish siya, you can always bring it back to its original color. So, gagamitan nyo lang siya ng silver, what do you call that? Silver cleaner. So, babalik naman siya sa dati. Actually, you can use just a toothpaste. For example, this jewelry, this is a Pandora jewelry. It's a sterling silver. So, lalagyan ko lang siya ng toothpaste. Sa akin lang yan parang DIY cleaning tip lang yun. So, pag medyo natuyo na yung toothpaste, I would use a clean cotton cloth na iwa-wipe ko siya. And then, I will brush it, run it to water. So, ibabrush ko siya. So, ganun ko lang siyang hugasan. So, it's very easy. Kaya yon. So, sa madaling salita, hindi ako mahilig sa gold. At saka wala akong pambili. Ganun dyan. Ayun nga, medyo, so yun ba, price-wise, mas mahal yung gold compared sa sterling silver. Okay, regarding this Distance jewelry, so they sent me 4 items. That's what I'm gonna show you. I'll show you the box. So they sent me 4 jewelry. So, ito yung box niya. So, the box is like this. So, there's nothing much too special about it. So, it's just a white box. And of course, their logo is there, Distance. So, they send me an earring. So, when you open the box, it's just like that. It has a cloth that I think you can use this wiping your accessories or your jewelry. Ganito yung mga magandang gamitin to wipe the jewelry. So, the earring is a owl design. Ayan, kung makikita nyo. Napakaganda. So, this is made of 92.5 sterling silver. So, I like it kasi una, hindi ako allergic sa sterling silver. Ewan ko lang sa iba kung allergic ka. But most of the time, 90%, hindi naman nakaka-allergy pag talagang silver. Yung mga parang fashion accessories, dun ako na allergy pag wini-wear ko ng matagal. So, ayan. So, this is 92.5 sterling silver. Ang ganda. So, susuot ko siya maya-maya. Titingnan natin kung maganda siya pag suot. Ayan. Maganda yung pinandala nila sa akin kasi this is a loop earring. Ako kasi, gusto ko yung mga stud lang, mga loop, or kaya yung may mga very short lang na dangling. Ayoko naman masyadong malalaki. Kasi, ang disadvantage kasi sa akin, lagi ko siyang nahihilang ganyan. Lagi ko siyang parang nakakalawit, gano'n. And mahaba yung buhok ko. Minsan, dadali ng buhok ko. So, yun siguro. Kaya minsan ayoko ng too much complication, ganyan. So, mas prefer ko na lang yung mga ganito. Mas madali siyang isuotin, mas good for everyday wear. And casual, formal, sporty, kahit na anong okasyon, you can wear a loop earring like this. So, hindi man ganito yung design, actually, the simple, the better. Parang ganon. Yon. Okay. So, balikan natin to later. So, dyan ka muna. And next, they send me a necklace. So, the box is the same. It's made by cardboard, no? But it's a very hard cardboard. So, okay naman siya. Maganda yung mga box niya. So, ayan. Ganun din. So, this is a heart design with the sunflower. So, very cute. So, this one is also made by 92.5 sterling silver. Ayan. So, ang ganda. Hindi ko alam kung ilang inches ito. But, tignan natin. So, mahaba, no? So, meron siyang adjustment sa end nung kanyang necklace. So, ayan. So, pag sinuot nyo siya, pwedeng mahaba. Pwedeng sigurong iksian, ganyan. So, mukhang maganda. Ayan. Maganda. Okay, actually, medyo may bigat siya. Kasi nga, pag silver, syempre hindi naman siya ganong kamorayta. May value din. May value ang mga silver. So, ayan. So, balikan natin yan. So, next naman, ito namang bracelet. So, ito. Ayan. So, ganun din ang pag inopen nyo, ganun din. Oops. So, this bracelet or bracelet bangle, kind of bangle, but at the same time bracelet kasi may chain. This is made of a copper white gold. So, ayan. Ang ganda. So, hindi din ito nagtatarnish. Ayan. Ang ganda niya. Blue nga lang yung kanyang hindi ko alam kung ano ba yung blue. Sapphire ba? Ayan. Hindi kasi ako masyadong familiar sa mga birthstone. Ang alam ko lang yung birthstone ko, tsaka birthstone na asawa ko at mga anak ko. Yan. Pag yung sa ibang birthstone, hindi ko na sure. Ganyan. So, I think this is sapphire. Ganyan. So, ang ganda. So, itatry din natin siya later. Ayan. And the last one, I think, is the ring. So, the same, ganun din yung box. So, each jewelry came with own boxes. So, ang ganda kasi you can, when you keep it, you can separate it. Or if you have jewelry box, you can just remove it on a box and put it in your, organizer or jewelry cases or something like that. So, ito naman, parang turno siya nung necklace, no? This is also a sunflower design. This is also made by copper white gold. So, ang ganda. So, this is adjustable, I think. Kasi wala siyang lock. So, parang pwede nyo siyang i-adjust. Ako kasi, pag mga ganitong design, gusto ko sa pointy ko siya nilalagay. Pag ganyan. Ang ganda, oh. So, pwede nyo siyang, sakto lang, So, pwede nyo siyang i-adjust pag sinuot nyo. So, ang ganda. Ayan. So, terno siya, partner siya nung necklace. Ang ganda. Tsaka gusto ko siya kasi saktong-sakto siya sa akin pointy. Maganda. Okay, yan. So, isuot natin lahat. Ay, namula yung tenga. Medyo pulahin talaga yung tenga ko pag once na nahawakan siya. Ganun. Sensitive. Sisera lang ako. Ayan. Actually, ako sa jewelry, mahilig ako sa earrings and bangles. Tsaka rin. Sa necklace, hindi ako masyado. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. So, pag umuwi talaga ako ng Pilipinas, doon ako nagtumitingin ng mga silver, ganyan. Pero ngayon, nowadays, ang dami nang nagulat ako kasi ang dami ng mga shop ng sterling silver sa Philippines. So, isuot natin yung necklace. So, ayan. Ang ganda. Guys, ang ganda. Tingin ko bagay sa akin. ako na magsasabi. Bet ko talaga yung mga ganitong klase ng mga earrings. Hindi masyadong flashy, ganon. Hindi sumisigaw masyado yung earrings, ganon. So, ilagay natin ang necklace. So, ayan. Oh, wow. Ang ganda. Maganda. I like it. Oh my God. Thank you, Distance Jewelry. Super ganda. And then, try naman natin yung bracelet. Although, hindi sa match kasi red yung So, ito yung bracelet, guys. Ayan. So, maganda din siya. Actually, ang silver, wala siyang pinipili, no? Either dark skin tone, fair complexion, white. Ang ganda ng silver. Tingin ko, it's a very elegant looking. Ayan. So, ayan, guys. So, Bagay ba? Ang ganda. So, ito yung ating earrings. From Distance Jewelry, Owl Design, and of course, the sunflower necklace with matching ring. Ayan. So, maganda. And of course, ang ating bracelet. Ayan. This is a heart design as well. Ayan, heart. Heart, parang infinity yung nasa loob niya, no? With the heart. So, there you have it. Ang ganda, guys. I love it. Thank you so much, Distance Jewelry, for sending me this jewelry that I can wear. This is good for any occasions. I guess walang pinipili. You can wear it. The earrings, you can wear it for every day. Yung necklace, nasa sa inyo yan. If you wanna wear it, you can wear it every day as well. Kahit nagluluto, pwedeng accessories. Of course, ako ganun. Kahit nagluluto, ganyan. Charot. And of course, this one is very elegant. So you can wear this occasionally, special occasions. Ang ganda. At pwede kang i-turn, no? Sa pag naka-blue kayo. Ganyan. Blue, black, white. Pwede. Ayan. Ang ganda. So, thank you so much, Distance Jewelry. And of course, you can always check their website sa mga mommy ladies out there that very fashionista. I will put their description down below on my description box, so for more infos. And of course, for you after, if you want to avail, you can use Leigh 12 and you can get 12% off in any item that you're gonna purchase on the website. And they also have special promo code that if you buy 2 items, the second one will be 20% off. You can use SV20. So that's on their website. You can check that out too. They also have a personalized jewelry on their website, so you can check it out as well. Ring, earrings, anklet, bracelet, necklace, custom-made jewelry. So that's all for today's video. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo, and if you did, kindly give me a thumbs up and please subscribe on my channel if you haven't yet, and kindly hit the notification bell so you get updated every time I upload a new video. Hanggang sa muli, I'll see you on my next one. Have a blessed day and stay beautiful. Bye!